Chelsea reversed into a siding, and Pikey's coal trucks were uncoupled. "I'll deliver my own loads first," she puffed. "Then I'll come back for Pikey's." Now, it was easy for Chelsea to steam up the steep hill. Cranky was at the docks. He was waiting for the sticky toffee pudding. "Hurry up and uncouple," called Chelsea impatiently. "You're in a hurry, Chelsea," puffed Thomas. "I am," whistled Chelsea, "but I can't tell you why. It's a surprise." As soon as the sticky toffee trucks are uncoupled, Chelsea puffed away. Now she has to pick up Pikey's coal trucks. Then there was trouble. When Chelsea arrived back at the siding, the trucks were not there. "Flatten my funnel," gasped Chelsea. "Where have they gone?" Chelsea was sure this is where she had left them. "I must find Pikey's trucks," she cried, and she raced away. Chelsea searched high and low for the missing trucks, but they were nowhere to be found. Chelsea was very upset. Then she had to stop at the signal. Pikey popped up in front of her. He looked very unhappy. "My coal trucks have disappeared," he cried. "If I don't find them, I will have to go to NAFTA to tell the Fat Controller." Chelsea watched Pikey puff sadly away. "I wanted to surprise Pikey," she puffed, "but I only made things worse." Chelsea felt terrible. She didn't want his friend to get into trouble. She knew what she must do. "I must tell the other engines about my surprise," she puffed. "Maybe they can help me find the missing trucks before Pikey finds the Fat Controller." Chelsea arrived back at the coaling plant. Molly, Sydney and Lenny were there. "Please help me," Chelsea whistled. "Pikey's trucks are missing and it's all my fault." She told them all about her surprise. The other engines were happy to help. We each look somewhere different. I know we'll find them," she puffed. Just then, Mitch puffed in with the missing trucks. "I found these trucks at the bottom of the hill," chirped Mitch. "Do you know who left them there?" "I did," puffed Chelsea excitedly. "Oh, thank you, Mitch." Mitch was puzzled, and so was the Fat Controller. "You told me the trucks were missing, Pikey," boomed the Fat Controller. He was surprised. Pikey was surprised too. "They were, sir," he puffed. "Please, sir," said Chelsea. "Pikey's right, they were missing." "Chelsea," asked the Fat Controller, "do you know anything about this?" "Yes," puffed Chelsea. "It was a surprise. I wanted to help Pikey, but I didn't tell anyone what I was doing. Please, can I still deliver the trucks for him?" "Of course you can," laughed the Fat Controller. "Now we all know what you are going to do." Chelsea smiled, and so did her friend Pikey. Now Pikey knew about Chelsea's surprise, he could finally take a well-earned rest. Chelsea felt very happy.